Hi, welcome to Law Dog Corvette. Today we're going to be talking about everybody's favorite subject, and that is the headlights. This is a 74 Corvette convertible, and this is what you're looking at right here is the headlight bracket. It's mounted on the front clip, but of course the lid is gone. The lid attaches right here, and of course over here in these two pivot points. The lid is gone. Now, the reason why we're talking about this one in particular is the vacuum hose input, output, the vacuum hoses are off, and if I put my finger like right back here and cover one up, it doesn't move. And that's a good thing. You don't want it to move when you are creating a vacuum inside there. You're creating positive pressure right there. Now, the other hose is down right here. If I put it in here, I can move it. That means the actuator is bad because that should not move like that. So what we got to do is pull the actuator out of here. It's actually a really simple job. I have the hood off, and of course the lids are off. And then we're going to rebuild the actuator. I got a rebuild kit from Zips. It's a really easy job. All right, the first step is we're going to remove this pin right here. This is the pin that connects this push rod assembly to the actuator, and it's held on by a cotter pin, and it'll just come right out. So we'll do that right now. All right, there's the pin, the cotter pin, and a couple of plastic pieces and a washer. Make sure you save those plastic pieces. They are very important, and that allows this pin to slide within the bracket. All right, now that your arm is separated from the actuator, there's 4 bolts right up there. They're 1/2 inch, and those 4 bolts need to come off, those nuts need to come off the bolts, and then the actuator will slide out from the back. All right, so here's our actuator out of the car, and there's a couple things that I noticed right off the bat. One, that piece, which is your seal, actually looks rather new, but the piece I'm missing is the cap. So there's supposed to be a metal cap that fits right here, and of course I'm missing the dust boot as well. I actually picked these headlights up offline. My headlights, the whole assembly was completely trash, and so I got these headlights for a very, very good deal. But turns out my actuator's not really broken, it's just missing a piece, which is of course that seal. So I think on this one, the only thing I'm going to do is put this actuator back, or this piece right here, set it back in the actuator seal, and then put the metal plate on top of it. So actually this is gonna be a very easy fix. All right, like I said, there's nothing really broken about this actuator. It's just missing a piece. And I picked up this kit from Zips Corvette. I love Zips, that's where I get all my parts. And it comes with 3 pieces. Comes with a new one of these, and like I said, mine actually looks pretty new, so I'm not going to replace that. I think I'm going to leave that on there. And then it comes with this piece, which of course is what I'm missing here, and we're going to install that. And then it comes with a dust cover, which is awfully important, and I'm going to have to take that piece off. So I guess the first thing I do is I'm going to take this piece off, and that's going to be a pretty easy job. Just unscrew it. Now, if yours is rusted shut, you may want to put some penetrating oil in there, but that's up to you. And so you can see I have this piece, although it looks like it's put on backwards. So this is the old piece and this is the new piece. All right, all you do is just kind of work that up under that lip, just like that. And then you're gonna take this piece here, and all you're gonna do is set it on top. And the idea is, yep, see, I can't move it now because I have a good seal. It just was odd. All right, I just need a small screwdriver, and I'm gonna take those tabs and lock that down into place. All right, with a screwdriver, all you're gonna do is kind of find that center spot. And you wanna lock these tabs down into place, and what that will do is keep that bladder right where you want it. And there we go. Again, if I push here, I cannot push that down. And if I hold back here, I can't pull it up. So it's a good seal. All right, with the actuator in its extended position, I'm just gonna put this dust cover on. There we go. And then that dust cover covers up that ring. All right, with the dust cover in, that looks amazing. So, all we're gonna do is put this back on. I will have to, I'm gonna have to find the right adjustment. So I'm just gonna kind of put it just generally where I think it is. And then I'll adjust this once I get the lids on. But that's just how simple it is. This kit, and again, I'll save this, may need it again some other time. This kit was $23 at Zips Corvette, next day shipping. It is a good investment. Instead of buying the actuator complete, just change that and you're good to go. Or in my case, just get a missing piece. All right, thanks a lot for watching. We're gonna put this back in the vehicle and then put the lids on, and then we'll test the actuators to make sure the lights go up and down. Hey, if you like this channel, please subscribe. Hit a like button. And get any questions, I'll answer them in the comments below. Thanks, bye.